So in this question, we are given a function which is going from R to R, and the function is x squared plus ax plus 1 upon x squared plus x plus 1. Then we need to compute the set of values of a such that fx is onto, right? So we need to find the complete set of values of a, which for which this function is onto, right? All right. So what is the definition for a function to be onto? So for a function to be onto, all the values in the range of the function fx must be mapped by some value or values in domain, right? For example, this is the domain and this is the range set, right? And the function is going from x till y. And all the values which are there in the range, they must be mapped by either one value in the domain or two values, but they must be mapped. They must not be empty, right? All right. So since our range of the function is R, we need to ensure that all the values in R are being mapped by the number in the domain, right? So let us take the function, the upper part as gx and lower part as hx for further simplicity in calculation. So now we know that hx is x square plus x plus 1, right? So whenever we need to find more about the quadratic equation, that first thought is to find the discriminant, right? Discriminant. Okay. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac, which is 1 minus 4 into 1 into 1, which is minus 3. This means that our discriminant is coming to be less than 0. What does that mean? So whenever the discriminant of a quadratic equation is less than 0 or negative, that means the quadratic equation value for all the values we put in the domain, the range is